Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Riverside Studio overlays for multi-stream editing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Riverside Studio overlays for multi-stream editing, start by opening your web browser. Visit the official Riverside Studio website. Log into your account or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the Resources tab on the main menu. Look for the section labeled Overlays. Click on the Overlays option to access the available overlay designs. Browse through the list of overlays until you find one that suits your needs. Click on the overlay you wish to download. This will direct you to the Overlay Details page. Locate the Download button on this page. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. The overlay file will be saved to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, locate the overlay file on your computer. Open your Multistream editing software. Import the downloaded overlay file into your editing project. Adjust the overlay position and size as needed. You are now ready to use your Riverside Studio overlay for your multi-stream editing. Enjoy creating your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.